A big question I think a lot of people ask to anybody who's selling solar is, should I lease it or should I buy the system, right?
Yeah.
And what's the rub there? What should you do?
For the majority of people, you should own your own system. For a very few select people, specifically for people who are maybe retired and have no taxable income, that's the one situation where you should lease. But if you do own your own home, I would recommend purchasing your own system and keeping all the incentives for yourself.
Yep. How does the warranty tie into that?
So, believe it or not, you actually get the same warranty whether you lease or own. And that's the number one thing is people think when we tell them that we believe they should own, we're trying to necessarily make more money. It's actually the opposite.
Okay.
We're trying to get that homeowner to be able to take all the incentives. And by taking all those incentives, they actually assume the same warranty as they did if they were to lease. They're gonna get 25 years, bumper to bumper on the entire system. So the key to that though is what we cover in our warranty is actual system failures themselves. So we can guarantee the system itself won't break.
Right.
But where insurance comes in is if other forces enact upon it.